My name is Ben Brown. I'm 31 years old. I'm a permanent resident in South Africa. I've been living in Cape Town, and I've been taking PrEP for the last 2 years.
Why?
I started taking PrEP because I had an experience 2 years ago where I was doing everything I was supposed to do to prevent getting HIV, and I was still exposed. And I was really, really lucky that I didn't become infected, and it made me realize, why wouldn't I want to do everything I can to stay HIV negative?
So how do you use your tablet?
Taking PrEP is the simplest thing in the world. I take it every single night with my multivitamin.
Do you take it every night at the same time?
It's not necessarily at the same time, but it's always before I go to bed.
And how does it make you feel? Are there any side effects?
I never had any side effects. I know that there is a risk of really minimal side effects for some people, but I never had any side effects taking PrEP. Most importantly, it makes me feel confident and reassured that I don't have to worry about becoming infected with HIV.
Has it made you not use condoms?
My behavior certainly hasn't changed since before I started taking PrEP. Whether or not I used condoms was always a decision I made with my partner. So I can't say I was always perfect using condoms, but it's always been something I've done in partnership with the person that I was seeing.
So what percentage of the time would you say you use condoms?
I think there's this misunderstanding that PrEP is just about being able to have sex without using a condom. And there's this idea of just using a condom. Why can't you just use a condom? There are so many circumstances in people's lives, straight people, gay people, men, women, where condoms are not the best solution. Maybe you're a lesbian that's been sexually assaulted. Maybe you're a gay man who, was taken advantage of, or you have an older sexual partner, or maybe you're a young woman who is an older man. Who knows? PrEP is not just about having unprotected sex. It's about taking control back into your life, because there's this misunderstanding that we have this ultimate control over our sex life, but really there are so many factors outside of our control that influence it. And I use PrEP because I want that control back.
So will you use PrEP for the rest of your life?
I don't think so. I think of it just like birth control. I have so many women who use birth control when they need it, and I think that's exactly the case with PrEP.